All right now, as I rise up from the graves, tapping into the unlimited potentiality of the slaves, that energy is flowing through us all, our ancestors, on all corners of the equation. And it is time for us to start this manipulation of energy, opening up our mind and allowing that energy, that synergy to activate our cosmic memory. For in times of darkness is the best times, because that's when you figure out who and what you are. Now, I'm going to need each and every one of y'all to hit the like button. Please reshare the videos. Respect my house. I'll be over here putting it down for y'all, giving you exactly what you need, giving you some news you can use. Now, let's do it. Spirits always come when you call them, because they influenced you to contact them in the first place. Now, the black son of the coven of Lucifer must come into your life so he can help you elevate all aspects, that light, that dark energy, which is really light. Light is the glare that comes off of the darkness. So when you engage in working with the dark things, the things that you were told to be scared of, the things that you were told that were going to come and get you, when you push past that fear, your ancestors appear. The real version of you appears. Lucifer must be perceived in a more expansive way so you can integrate with him. You want to integrate with the power of your ancestor, Lucifer. You want to integrate with the dark and the light aspects of yourself. Lucifer is the light bringer, the sun behind the sun, as we awaken and evolve the spirits of darkness. Give us inspiration and exhortation, giving us that uncommon information to evolve on the path of smoke. Lucifer is more than some fallen magical host, aka a spirit. Oh no, no. Put more respect on my motherfucking name. On your motherfucking name. Cause we are all one and the same, doing our thing, dealing with this spiritual thing. Lucifer shines light on the darkest aspects of yourself. On your self-imposed version of yourself. Your self-imposed version of your reality. Now you want to work with Asmodeus or Asmodeus, who is the son of Nama, and Nama is the daughter of Lilith. Now, Asmodeus is the son of Nama and the husband to the second incarnation of Lilith. Because, you know, Lilith and her daughters would swap out different husbands and create different dragon children. You know, we have a lot going on in the spirit realm. Asmodeus, son of Nama, and husband to the second incarnation of Lilith, elevates the blackened flame within. He is the Prince of Lust, one of the kings of hell, and he has 3 heads. One head is a bull, one head is a man, and the other is a ram. Very, very interesting. Going deep into the powers of our ancestor by the name of Asmodeus. Yes, indeed. Asmodeus, or Asmodeus as some call, has a serpent's tail and flames shoot from his mouth. His feet are webbed, and he helps you with invisibility and acquiring the hidden treasures within. He governs 72 legions of demons. Each legion is 10,000. So you do the math. I call Asmodeus amongst the mortals, is what he says. I called Asmodeus amongst the mortals, and I have came to this planet to open up the cages to their mind.